Hi friends, something happened to my Jeep that I never told you about on YouTube. Please enjoy my stories or whatever else might be on my mind today. Last April, when we were coming back from Quartzsite in the city of Tucson, my Jeep and the tricycle and the hitch, a weld broke and it all came off of the back of my motorhome, and I kept going. There's more to that story. The Jeep, there's not a scratch on it. The braking system stopped it. It pulled the wire down here and the brakes locked and everything's okay. In terms of that, it scraped a little bit of the edge of the fender off of my tricycle. But the biggest thing that happened, my light bar, which was here, got hit by part of the hitch. It tore it off and it broke it. My light bar that I loved so much is trash. And why do I love it? Well, we're here near the Santa Rita Mountains, and we go up into the Huachuca Mountains, and we do this at night. It's off-roading. And why do we do it at night? Because kids, my son, my daughter-in-law, they have to work in the daytime, so we go out at night a lot, and that light bar was really something that we valued. So I called the AUXBEAM company, who sent this to me 3 or 4 years ago to do a review, and I said, I love the light bar, but here's what happened. They sent me a new one. Light the way, AUXBEAM. The model I had before was called a side shooter, and I looked online, I couldn't find it, and maybe they don't have them anymore, but they wanted to send me this newer model, which might be even better. We have here LED light bar, AUXBEAM. This one comes with the wiring harness, and the other one didn't. And what do we have in this box? It's kind of heavy. Oh, it's the brackets. This one will mount 2 different ways. The one I had before, it mounted with this bracket that's screwed into the back here. And the new one can mount either from the bottom like that, or it can mount from the ends. And I'll have to figure that out, see which way and which of the bracket systems I use, whether it's the bottom mount or the end mounts. Wow, look at that. Hey, this one is going to light up the night, maybe even better than the old one. The old one, let's compare them. Same length, I ordered the same length, that's a 32-inch. They come in all different lengths, from a lot smaller to even bigger. But this one has floodlights as well as all of the other LEDs. Wow. Hey, we'll have to get that installed and go out and light up the night. I got the AUXBEAM 5D Pro Series mounted. The 2 mounting positions, I chose the side mount. The bottom mounts I had before, and the reason I chose the side mount is because it was easier. And easier also with this little wrench to loosen those up, and then it's adjustable. Now the bottom mounts are adjustable, but it's a little easier to do it with the side mounts. Everything worked fine, all the nuts, bolts, washers, screws, mounting brackets, everything you needed came with it. It was a pretty simple installation for me because I already have a bar here. You'd have to figure it out for yourself. One has a relay built into the wiring harness and a fuse. So not only is it easy, it'll be safe. Hook the red wire up there, hook the black wire up there. Comes with its own fuse, a solenoid, and the wire easy to thread through to a switch mounted right there, and a red light indicator light. Tonight we'll go for a ride and light up the night. Sitting here in my driveway at the ranch, I have my low beams on. Those are my high beams. These are my driving lights. And now, are you ready for the AUXBEAM? Whoa! Let's go for a ride. Again, without, with. Without, high beams, with. You can see the spotlight really good right there on the hill. So the flood is wide and the spot is narrow. Again, off, AUXBEAM. I love it. Links below in the video description if you need help lighting up your night. Hey, if you like me, give me one of those thumbs up. And please subscribe and hit that little bell so you know when I post next. Please share me with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what was on my mind today.